I'm Michael Nappi, Chief Product and Engineering Officer at ScienceLogic. This quarter, the big news is our upcoming major release wave, codenamed Eiffel, which will include significant updates and enhancements for SL1, as well as new releases of PowerFlow and RestorePoint. The product team shipped a release candidate build to our early adopter customer community at the beginning of April and is targeting general availability in mid to late May. We're super excited about this release and looking forward to seeing it deployed in customer production environments soon. So given that, let me take a moment to share with you a quick preview of some of the salient features of Eiffel. In the observability piece, or the data piece, we've added, among other things, well over 35 new or updated monitoring power packs in this release wave. And in particular, we've added for the first time ever, a monitoring power pack SDK, which essentially is a low-code, no-code framework that allows you to build power packs on your own using CLI or REST techniques in a very prescriptive way that allows ScienceLogic support to actually support those custom power packs. So the idea here really is to start democratizing the ability to author power packs on the ScienceLogic platform and making it more accessible to a broader set of customer and personas. In addition to that, we've extended our data collection capabilities for infrastructure monitoring via the Linux agent, essentially allowing the ability to have extensible metrics. And we've also added support for webhooks to create events via a custom power pack. In addition to that, we've continued our journey around simplifying the end user experience, in particular, making it easier to configure phone home collectors. On the platform side, we've continued the initiative that we set out at the beginning of last year around continuing to harden the ScienceLogic platform and make it even more robust. As part of this release wave, we're announcing a partnership with CrowdStrike. We've essentially validated CrowdStrike's Falcon endpoint protection solution for use on ScienceLogic collectors. We've gotten a lot of feedback from customers that they'd like to secure that collector using some sort of endpoint protection solution. So we're thrilled to be able to announce that partnership with CrowdStrike, and you can look for more news to come as we move through the year. On the contextualized side, the machine learning and insight side of the platform capabilities, we've added the ability to represent change data within the context of a business service. And in particular, RestorePoint changes and ServiceNow changes that we can bring into that view. In addition to that, we can bring in DEM type data via ThousandEyes, so you can get kind of an outside-in monitoring experience on services that are being managed in ScienceLogic. On the action side, we're really excited to announce a number of solutions that we're rolling out this year to essentially connect and extend SL1 data across multiple domains in the enterprise. This next slide kind of gives you a high-level view of the portfolio of these workflow automation solutions. All these are available today, and you can see we've got a number of solutions across a variety of different categories. The most notable ones, I think, recently are these integrations with notification systems like PagerDuty and Xmatters and Slack. That's a very common use case that really fuels resolution through collaboration across IT ops. Coming up later this year, you're going to see other workflow solutions that involve connecting to existing orchestration tools for data center automation, as well as connecting to DevOps environments like Atlassian, Bitbucket, and so forth. And then finally, and perhaps most importantly, we're starting to get a lot of input and feedback from our customers around the importance of being able to connect IT operations data to security to help address security incidents. And so we'll be creating a number of solutions that essentially pipe SL1 data out into NIST-based workflows in security operations solutions like Tanium and NVD and so forth. This is really about tapping into the power of all the data that's collected in the SL1 platform and using that data to fuel a whole variety of other important use cases across the enterprise. I'm looking forward to getting back on the road and meeting with some of you this year, or at a minimum, catching up with most of you at Symposium in October. Until then, take care, stay well, and thank you for being a part of the ScienceLogic community.